Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am here at Tar Hollow. We are doing our first all-girls hike with Girls Who Hike Ohio. If you don't know their Facebook group and you're a girl, check it out. I am here with another YouTuber. This is Tori, and Tori has her own channel. Tori, what's your channel name?
Our Family Adventures. It's with my husband and my little daughter, but it's too cold for them to be out here,
So she decided she was going to do an all-girl one. So, what you think so far?
A little muddy, but things are better.
So we came with the intentions it was going to be a 9-mile hike, but we were just told that there's part of the trail that's closed, so we will be doing 11 miles today. Very excited though. Probably 10 girls here.
Yep.
Maybe a little bit more, 10, 12. I don't know. Should be exciting though. Very excited to go on the trip with them. We'll get to know a little bit more about them later on in the video. All right, let's go. So, just wanted to give you guys a view of what we're seeing. This is awesome. Look. That's what we see up that way. That's what we're seeing that way. It's just absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, someone threw a rock.
Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but we're going through this little open spot here, and there is tons of, looks like, grass that's grown super high. It's almost as high as my head. It's pretty awesome. So, there's everybody else coming out back there. A couple miles in. It's been a pretty awesome trip. just hiked up this massively high hill. There's a detour. There's no switchbacks really. And we're almost to the top of it. I think everybody's pretty much out of breath. So I think we're gonna stop and have lunch at the top. And I'll get back with you then. Because I can't breathe. Alright guys, so we are about 8 miles in, I think is what my friend Beth just told me. It's been a really, really nice hike. I think I like Tar Hollow. I see how come Beth liked it so much. She says she used to come here all the time and hike. One killer hill though. And that took me a minute, I ain't gonna lie. I stopped twice going up it. It was not nice. Pretty decent day out. We started out with, I think, right around 30 degrees, 32 degrees, something like that this morning. Supposed to get up to 54. And now I don't know which direction I'm going. Oh, Beth's pointing this way. So, but now it's nice. We got our jackets off, most of us. Stopped and had lunch for a minute on top of the hill after the crazy hill. And here we go. How you doing, guys? Ready for another 10 miles?
No, I'm ready for bed.
Do the North Loop now? Is that what you said? Okay, so I'm not sure if I told anybody or not, but we did the South Loop. Pretty nice. I like it a lot. But I think I forgot to tell you in the intro, so in case I did, we did the South Loop. It has a detour. It has a crazy big mountain. Okay, maybe not a mountain. It felt like a mountain. We're all doing pretty good. Probably about 9 miles in now. A couple more miles back. We should get in around 11 miles today. Alright, I gotta get off here. I think we're about to hit another big hill. Alright guys, so we're back at the trailhead. Some of them's over there, some of them's over there. Everybody's going to the potty. It was a good hike. It was a long hike. It was a very hard hike. I'm not going to lie. I think everyone agrees. It ended up with the detour, I think we ended up with at least 12 and a half miles. Everybody kind of got different, you know how it is with pedometers. Everyone got a different amount. But I think everyone enjoyed themselves, and now everyone is exhausted and is ready for food. So, we'll catch you in the next one.